Hi, this is Matt from Arnold Remote Wealth Management. Today we're looking at some end-of-year tax changes that got passed right at the end of 2020. These come from the appropriations bill that was passed right at the end of the year. The bill ended up being about 5,500 pages long. There's a ton of information in the bill, but not all of it's going to be applicable to you. So we wanted to quickly review the three big changes that will impact you. First is another round of stimulus payments. For this round of stimulus, households will receive $600 per person in the household. That amount will start to phase out if your income, as measured by your AGI or adjusted gross income, is $150,000 for a married couple or $75,000 if single. You likely received this payment already if you were eligible based on the income from your last year's tax return. However, if you did not get a payment and your income in 2020 is lower than those $150,000 or $75,000 limits, you will be given a tax credit when filing your taxes at the end of the year. The next big change is tax deductions from losses from federally declared disasters. For Iowans, this means damages from the Derecho. You will have a special worksheet from the IRS when you're doing your taxes this year that will help you calculate what's called your net loss and value. There's a lot that goes into this calculation, but in general, it will be out-of-pocket expenses you've paid to restore your property back to its original condition before the storm. Expenses that were paid by insurance do not count, but your insurance deductibles likely will. So it's a good time to start collecting and organizing receipts, estimates from contractors, and pictures of the damages and the repairs you've done. If you had a lot of damage that you paid out of pocket, this year might be a very good one to be sure you have some expert advice when doing your taxes this year. And lastly, there's changes to charitable contributions and the deductions that you can get from them. This year, a married household can claim a tax deduction of up to $600 for cash donations made to qualified charities. This deduction is available even if you claim the standard deduction and would not normally be able to take deductions for smaller charitable donations. If you want to learn more details about these changes, look in the description below where we have a link to a longer, more detailed video where we walk through these changes and some planning opportunities around them with clients. Or you can always find information like this on our blog at arnoldmotewealth.com/blog. Thank you.